The process of turning a script into a cinematic masterpiece is a complex one, and as a producer, your involvement is critical every step of the way. Today, we'll dig deep into script analysis and development and how you can play a vital role in ensuring the project's success. First up is understanding the script's core. The story is the heart of the film, and as a producer, you're not just looking for a good story, but one that's sellable and one that resonates with audiences. Start by asking, is the story coherent and engaging? Who's the target audience? What potential impact does the story have, both positive or negative? And can you visualize a trailer or a film poster based on the script? Then there's ensuring feasibility. While creativity knows no bounds, reality does. Your role is to bridge the director's vision with practicality. Read the script multiple times, and each time with a different focus. First up, you will look at characters. Count the main characters and estimate the extras. Understand their relevance and depth. Next, you'll look at locations. Identify them and gauge the extent of the scene. Do you need a corner or a room or an entire building? Then you have props and special requirements. From unique items to special effects or specific time periods, note down anything that requires special attention or budgeting. Then you're going to look at time frame. So contemporary settings are generally more budget friendly. If it's a period piece or an alternate universe, what would it entail? After that is crafting a master plan. With your detailed analysis, you're now equipped to draft a plan. First up is the shot list. Collaborate with your director and your DOP how many shots are required and what's the estimated time per setup. Then, based on the shot list, craft a shooting schedule. Consider locations, actor availability, and other logistics. With a schedule in hand, you can begin to estimate costs. How much will locations, props, or special effects set you back? How many crew members can you afford? Filmmaking is collaborative. There will be changes, and that is okay. With every change in the script, review your list, shot plan, and budget. Adjust, discuss, and repeat. Your role is to ensure the balance between artistic vision and practical execution. Taking a script from paper to production is an intricate dance of creativity, analysis, and problem solving. As the producer, you are the linchpin. Your involvement in script analysis and development sets the tone for the project's journey, ensuring not just a good movie, but a successful one.